It's been a sunny and pleasant day over most parts of South Africa, but partly cloudy with some sunny spells in the southwestern parts of the country. And we have another cold front approaching from the Atlantic Ocean and already pushing in lots of moisture and cloud for the southwestern parts of South Africa. For the rest of the evening, you can expect a dry forecast over South Africa, but that cold front will push in some foggy conditions tonight and tomorrow morning for the western coastline, the southwestern parts of the country. And we also have a ridging high pushing in some moist, and therefore we can expect a foggy start to the day along the escarpments of the low veld. Tomorrow, winds will circulate around a high pressure system in the central parts and therefore creating breezy conditions over parts of the Northern Cape Free State as well as Northwest and Gauteng, and also creating berg wind conditions for the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, where maximum temperatures will be above average for this time of the year. And if we look closely, we can clearly see where that cold front will bring rainfall by Saturday evening over Cape Town along the south coast and a very small part of the Overberg. We can expect light winds this evening over the central parts of South Africa and that northwesterly breeze over the Western Cape as the cold front approaches the province. And then by tomorrow, winds will start to strengthen up, especially over the central parts as they circulate around that high pressure system, and it will be strong winds in the central parts of the Northern Cape and Eastern Cape. Wind speeds will exceed 50 kilometers per hour, and we can still expect winds to speed up a little bit over the Western Cape as that cold front approaches the province. We can expect a sunny day in Durban tomorrow, and berg wind conditions will push the maximum to 28 degrees, but it will be a little bit breezy with a northeasterly breeze of 25 to 30 kilometers per hour. Sutherland will drop down to a low of 1 degrees, 11 degrees in Cape Town, Port Elizabeth, Pretoria and Polokwane, 12 degrees tonight in Mbombela, and then a comfortable 9 degrees in Johannesburg, and then 10 degrees in Kimberley and Dar, and 14 degrees tonight in Durban. If you look at that shading of red, we can clearly see where the berg wind conditions will push the maximum temperatures to above average, with around 30 degrees in KwaZulu-Natal, above 30 degrees in parts of the Eastern Cape, with 31 degrees in East London tomorrow. But it's much cooler in the western parts of South Africa, with only 15 degrees in Cape Town, 16 in Sutherland, 19 degrees in George, and a very comfortable 25 degrees in Johannesburg. And then for the rest of the evening, you can expect the cold front to spread the rainy conditions along the coastline to East London, but still sunny and warm conditions for the northern and eastern parts with a high of 28 degrees in Pretoria. And then by Monday, still some cloud possible along the coastline and drizzle all the way to Durban, partly cloudy in Richards Bay, but sunny conditions for Cape Town. That's all from me. Enjoy your Friday.